There will always be a phase in your life when you'll think that the things are falling apart. What image you had actually perceived of the future, it's not pretty anymore. You're losing friends, family, lovers. It's all like riding a roller coaster, and all you can think is of just jumping off and end the pain. Pain, my friend, is the only thing which is on your side right now. You might be thinking, God, why? Why me? I didn't do anything wrong to them. I loved them. I cared for them. I prayed for them, for their safety, for their well being. Then why? Why me? And you start picturing yourself as the only person responsible for all this that has happened. And let me tell you, it's not you, my friend. It's not you. You have been crying, crying like a baby. Nobody heard you. Wake yourself up. No one is fucking gonna do that for you. Are you thinking you're weak? They are weak, who thought that you will drown in your sorrow if they left. Do you really want them? The people who led you to this depression. You want to be like this for the rest of your life? Miserable and living on the pity of others? You can do far better than this. You are a champion. If you were happy before they came, you can be happy after they left. It's all about fucking mindset. Till you don't learn the lesson you got from the pain, you will always keep suffering. Learn, grow, and move on. The best revenge taken will be that you show them you can be happy without them. You are sufficient. You are all. Now, let me tell you the biggest mistake you might end up doing. You will beg if you are willing to give up your self respect for them. You just make them talk to you. Your shit is literally broken, man. You know, humans are mystical creatures, capable of creating such miracles, and it just takes one deep loss to shut down the entire system. You are so shattered because you don't have a life of your own. You were so much dependent on them that as soon as they left, you just go nuts. Oh God, what will happen now? My life is nothing now without them. They were my happiness, my sole motive. Everything in my life is connected to them. Shit to that, bro. Nothing to do with it. You can be happy alone. Let me tell you. Don't be a piece of shit. Have some dignity. They left you, you move on. Become the best version of yourself so that when you will be totally healed and time will again bring the season of love, you will choose better. You will choose wiser. But as always, you'll be a hard lover. Don't give up on your dreams for someone else. Don't give up on yourself, what you are. Don't change for somebody. Let them accept you as you are. Because, my love, you will always find a person who will match you, not a person whom you had to change to match them. Be you. Be kind to yourself. Love yourself. You're capable of miraculous things, my friend. Trust me.